2016. We got an issue with the screen. Got to do a repair on, fix the digitizer. You're gonna see it. We get things done around here. Today's project is gonna be to replace the digitizer screen part of this. As you see how this works. This is no good. See how that is? No response, no function. We're gonna cure this. We're gonna swap it out. I already got the replacement screen. My son finna pull it out. So I'm going ahead and get this done. Okay, I got the screen around here on my work table around here. Okay, this is what we're doing today. We're putting this screen right here. It's honestly self-explanatory why. As I showed you earlier, there was no touch functions in this at all. So I'm about to disassemble this screen. We have a few screws we need to get them loose. I'm gonna go on ahead and take this loose. That way we can get in here, remove the screen, and make it happen. Alright, as you can see, I got the unit off on the monitor. Had to take a few screws out. Alright, let's keep going. Dig a little deeper. As you see, right as rain. Alright, now to get this back over in the vehicle, test it out. Yeah. Okay, you see, we back in the car. You know what I'm saying? Verifying how things work. It making sure everything together where it's supposed to, where we able to touch. You know, get to our options. Hey. Yeah. See? Oh, we working.
They not like us. They not like us.
Hey.
I think that Oakland show will be your last time.
Yeah, as you see, we got everything back to working. Client happy. Hey, to the next one.